Good composition is key to taking compelling images that capture the viewer's attention. First, check the overall composition of your photo. Next, ensure your main subject is sharply focused so it stands out from the background. Consider how you can use framing elements in your image to direct the viewer's gaze towards your intended subject. Adjusting your shooting perspective by getting higher or lower can dramatically change the look and feel of your photo. So explore different angles. Use leading lines like diagonals or curves to guide the viewer's eye through your image to your main subject. Following the rule of thirds by placing important elements along imaginary grid lines creates a nicely balanced composition. Negative space refers to empty areas around your subject. Leave some room so your subject doesn't fill the entire frame. Pay attention to color and how certain hues complement your main subject, making it stand out. Vibrant colors attract more attention. Consider how the direction, quality, and color of light affects both your subject and the overall mood of your image. Side lighting can accentuate form, for example. Don't just stand eye level with your subject. Shooting from creative angles above or below can make your photo more dynamic. With practice incorporating these fundamental composition techniques, you will notice a clear improvement in your images. Just remember the basics and you'll be capturing stunning, professional-looking photos in no time. If you want to keep improving your photography skills, check out the photographic equipment available on our website. Like and subscribe for more free videos from Photo Discount World in South Africa.